So guys, we've had this bunk bed set for like ever. I'm talking all three kids, probably 27 years old. And today we're chopping it up and we're getting rid of it so we could put a desk in here. Now, I was intending to throw everything out, but once I got looking at these supports, look at this. Look at this wood. I'd like to know if anyone out there knows what species this would be. And if you know, comment below. That being said, I'm not throwing these out. I'm going to save them. I'm going to probably do some glue ups and make some cootery boards or whatever. Like, there's some good lumber.